Hello guys, it's Barry from BOGPA again. Today, we will talk about this BMW intake air pressure and temperature sensor. Behind me is a BMW 320i manufactured in 2013 with the engine code N20B20B. We all know that the intake air temperature and pressure sensor is a key part that affects the turbocharger adjustment if the car experiences insufficient power while driving at a high speed. We will be replacing this failing air temperature and pressure sensor to fix this issue. BOGPA products are developed based on OE part at a ratio of 1:1. They are made of the same quality raw material as the OE part. After 100% performance testing, the outer shell plastic parts are made of PA66 GF30, which has excellent mechanical properties, high temperature resistance, wear resistance, and can withstand 150 to 160 degrees. In the next step, my colleague and I will be replacing this N20 intake air pressure sensor, and during this process we will highlight some installation key points that need attention. Okay, from this vehicle information tree here, you will notice that it is only showing one faulty code. Once we press it, it is showing two main faulty code. One is on the air temperature sensor, it is showing electrical short, and the pressure sensor, it is showing electrical short circuit. As you can see on this faulty intake air temperature sensor here, the temperature is showing negative 41.25 and the charging pressure is showing 3,753.36 hectopascal, but the normal value should be 1,042.97 hectopascal. Next, we will remove this failed intake air pressure and temperature sensor.